Corner rebate joints, also known as corner lap joints, are carcass joints used in the corners of wooden constructions like boxes or drawers. It is a slightly stronger joint than the butt joint as the shoulder gives it a larger gluing area, but is, however, still a relatively weak joint. Nails can be used to provide extra strength. Measure and mark the thickness of your wood from the wood edge with your pencil and steel rule. Using your tri-square, draw a line at a right angle to the wood edge at your pencil mark. Make sure there are no gaps between the tri-square handle and wood edge. Put your wood in the vise and using your tri-square, project your lines around the wood edge. Set your marking gauge to your required depth, in this case, half of the thickness. Now mark a line along your end grain and sides. If unsure how to use a marking gauge, click on the link in the description. Go over your marking gauge lines with your pencil and mark your waste wood with diagonal lines. You have now completed marking out. Clamp a straight edge on your pencil line using a G-clamp. Now ensuring your saw is against the straight edge, draw back 3 times to create a groove, then saw down until you have reached your marked depth, checking on both sides to ensure your sawing is level. Chop the waste wood by using the chisel with the bevel edge facing down and lightly tapping the butt of the chisel with the mallet, working along the end grain. Only remove 1 to 2 mm with each pass and stop when you are 1 to 2 mm above your depth mark. Secure the wood in the vise and using your chisel flat side down, pare the remaining waste wood until you have reached your pencil line. It's easy to go too deep when paring, so ensure your chisel is flat. You can rest it on the edge of the vise to make it easier. Keep checking the pencil line as you go. Only pare to around the halfway point, then turn the wood around and pare from the other side. Never go over the edge, as this can cause tear out. If any waste wood remains, pare along the shoulder of the joint to remove it. If you find paring difficult, you can use one of the following techniques. Clamp your wood to the desk with a G-clamp. Now, in front of your joint, clamp down a block of wood the same thickness as your required depth, in this case 8mm. Ensuring your chisel is flat side down and flat on the paring block, start to pare and remove the remaining waste wood. If there is any waste wood remaining, you can use your chisel along the shoulder of the joint to remove it. Clean up any other remaining waste wood and you are complete. If you have a hand router, this can also be used to pare. Clamp down a piece of wood the same thickness as your wood next to your joint. This will allow you to rest the hand router on either side of the joint, ensuring a level pare. Set your router to the required depth and again use it to just over the halfway point, then turn the wood around and use it from the other side. Once paring is complete, you can fit your joint. You have now completed a corner lap joint.